Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Subaru Crosstrek. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You will need a new oil filter, about 4 4/10 quarts of synthetic 0-weight-20 motor oil, and a fresh drain plug gasket. Also, have a wrench for the drain plug, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel ready. Make sure your Crosstrek is on a level surface and the engine is slightly warm for optimal oil flow. Safety first, so wear your glasses and gloves. Now let's drain the old oil. Safely raise your Crosstrek or use ramps to access the underside. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. It's typically a 17mm bolt. Place your drain pan directly below the plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Let all the old, dark oil flow into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes to ensure a complete drain. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter and drain plug. Find the old oil filter, usually on the front of the engine, and remove it with your filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an extra 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Finally, replace the drain plug with a new gasket, tightening it securely to approximately 30 foot-pounds. Now for the final steps. Using a clean funnel, slowly pour approximately 4 4/10 quarts of the recommended 0-weight-20 synthetic motor oil into the engine. Start your Crosstrek and let it run for a few minutes to circulate the fresh oil, then turn it off. Wait about 5 minutes for the oil to settle, then check the level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Finally, carefully inspect the drain plug and new filter for any signs of leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.